beautiful people, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Be Your Best with JK. So today's video is for all the food lovers over there, and I'm going to tell you my favorite and secret recipe of making French fries yummy, delicious and crispy at home. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first I'm taking the potatoes and just wash them off and just peeling them. Now this is the easiest way for every beginner to cut the perfect French fries at home without any cutter or something like this for your help. So you can use a chopping board and just cut them like this. This is the easiest way for beginner. I just remember I used to cut my French fries in the beginning like this, but now how I just cut them, I will show you. So this is the way how I cut them right now, and I found this the easiest and the simple and most convenient method. You know, you don't need to put so much effort and collect so much equipment for just cutting simple pieces of French fries. So cut them like this, cut them half and then chop 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 chop. Now take a cooking oil in the pan, enough for deep frying, because deep frying is really important to make French fries crispy and crunchy. If you can't use that much oil, use less by less and cook the French fries little by little. Now your oil should be enough heated to be hot, but it should be on low flame, that your French fries cannot burn, but yes, they will cook instantly and easily. So what I do is I just cook them on low flame. And one more thing, if your oil is overheated, so like this I have shown you in clip, just turn off the flame and let it cool down a little bit until it becomes that much that your French fries can handle, and put them. And when you feel like your French fries are just cool down the oil, you can turn on the flame and cook them on low flame. That's the trick. Your French fries will never burn and they will be cooked so beautifully in oil. And you can see in this slow-mo, they are looking so delicious, and I am getting hungry again to just eat them right now. And yeah, definitely this is the trick. If you cook them on low flame, they will be cooked from inside. They will be really soft by eating. You can touch them, they will be really soft, but when you eat them, they will be crispy and crunch outside. So how can we achieve that crunch outside? I will tell you now. So after cooking them on low flame, you will see that your French fries started swimming in the oil, and when they learned proper swimming in this oil, just turn on the flame into high flame, and then just keep stirring. When you see that little bit of crunch is on your French fries, just keep them stirring, and just like this, they will turn golden brown on high flame, and just turn off the flame and take them out. You will see they are looking really delicious, and they actually are. I will tell you, they are looking so soft, but when you just broke them, they actually are soft from inside. Outside they are a little bit crunch, but when you eat them, damn, oh, I can't control water in my mouth. So you have listened to the ASMR in the clipping of the video which I put in the starting, and look at these French fries. Amazing. Delicious ever. Trust me, you will make French fries in this way. You will forget all the French fries which you just purchased from any restaurants and all this. This is the way I make them from my childhood, and this is just amazing. And this is my secret spice mix which I put them to make just enhance their flavor a lot. I just put a little bit of salt, pepper. These are the homemade chili flakes which I make, and oregano. Just mix them well and sprinkle it on the french fries and just mix them. Voila! That's a delicious taste you can't forget, and you will say, just give me more french fries right now. I hope you love this recipe. If you love it, don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends and families, comment on your reviews and feedbacks, and subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. The handle is right there. Take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.